ABC.
ABC.
He has no ABC in English.
As a whole.
As a whole.
As a whole, he seems to be a modest man.
A bed of roses.
A bed of roses.
Life is not a bed of roses.
As a rule.
As a rule.
As a rule, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
A bed of thorns.
A bed of thorns.
Life is a bed of thorns.
As luck would have it.
As ill luck would have it.
He tried his best but, as ill luck would have it, failed once again.
Above all.
Above all.
Above all, he is a good man.
As a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, he is quite innocent.
A black sheep.
A black sheep.
He is a black sheep.
As a result of.
As a result of.
He could not pass the examination as a result his laziness.
A black look.
A black look.
He cast a black look at me.
As in duty bound.
As in duty bound.
He is your boss and you, as in duty bound, should be respectful to him.
A bee in one's bonnet.
A bee in one's bonnet.
That crazy man surely has a bee in his bonnet.
As well.
As well.
You may as well come with me.
A bad egg.
A bad egg.
All hate him because of his being a bad egg.
As such.
As such.
He was poor and he is such. I could not receive education.
A bird of passage.
A bird of passage.
A gypsy is a bird of passage.
As for.
As for.
As for myself, I do not agree to your proposal.
According to.
According to.
He acted according to my plan.
As long as.
As long as.
Please wait for me as long as I do not return.
A close-fisted man.
A close-fisted man.
I hate a close-fisted man.
As far as.
As far as.
You can go with me as far as you wish.
A fish out of water.
A fish out of water.
I feel like a fish out of water in a new place.
As far as possible.
As far as possible.
I shall help you as far as possible.
A foregone conclusion.
A foregone conclusion.
That he will not do well in the examination was a foregone conclusion.
As good as.
As good as.
This is as good as new.
A fool's paradise.
A fool's paradise.
If you hope that you will do good in the examination without any effort, you are living in a fool's paradise.
As many as.
As many as.
You can eat mangoes as many as you can.
A far cry.
A far cry.
It is a far cry from Dhaka to London.
As much as.
As much as.
We should plant trees as much as you can.